This St. Peter, the voice for the people. Welcoming my brother Buju Banton to the roots. Igbo land, Africa, the place where it all starts. Jah guide, Mr. Yeah. Buju, my brother, the time come for you return. The land of Igbo where your bloodline burn. Mama Africa call, the ancestors them a sing. From Kingston to Osaba, hear the spirit ring. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, me say it's time. Come on to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. The drums them a beat, the earth them a shake. Igbo warriors arise with the culture where you take. You journey long but you find the way. Now the roots of the tree are where you fi stay. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, they say it's time. Come home to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. The drums them a beat, the earth them a shake. Igbo warriors arise with the culture where you take. Your journey long but you find your way. Now the roots of the tree are where you fi stay. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, they say it's time. Come home to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. Me say the spirit strong, the bond now go break. Africa feel all the love we a make. The ancestors are guide, the path you trod. One people, one heart, under Jarrod. So me call from the African youth in the west. Come home to your land, the place that is best. From the islands to the continent we unite. St. Peter said the future look bright. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, they say it's time. Come home to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. St. Peter, the voice of the roots, welcoming on the African brothers and sisters. Come home to Mama Africa, the land of your birth. One love, one heart, God bless. Me say. The drums them a beat, the earth them a shake. Igbo warriors arise for the culture where you take. Your journey long but you find your way. Now the roots of the tree are where you fi stay. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, they say it's time. Come home to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. The drums them a beat, the earth them a shake. Igbo warriors arise for the culture where you take. Your journey long but you find your way. Now the roots of the tree are where you fi stay. Welcome Buju to the motherland. Igbo people are greet you with the love so grand. Africans in the Caribbean, me say it's time. Come home to Mama Africa, reclaim your prime. Me say the spirit strong, the bond now go break. Africa feel all the love we a make. The ancestors are guide, the path you trod. One people, one heart, under Jarrod. So me call from the African youth in the west. Come home to your land, the place that is best. From the islands to the continent we unite. St. Peter said the future look bright. So me call from the African youth in the west. Come home to your land, the place that is best. From the islands to the continent we unite. St. Peter said the future look bright. St. Peter, the voice of the roots, welcoming all my African brothers and sisters.